You've solved this 1,000 times. Now watch what happens when the numbers walk away and letters take their place. Nothing about the problem has changed. You still want x alone on one side. Equations like this, built from letters instead of numbers, are called literal equations. Here's the reassuring part. On the left, a number problem. On the right, the same problem in letters. To free x from a 3, you divide by 3. To free x from an a, you divide by a. Identical move. The only difference is that the answer stops being a number and becomes a formula. Let's use a real one. Fahrenheit in terms of Celsius. Our target is C, and right now it's buried, multiplied by 9/5, then plus 32. So we peel the layers off in reverse. Subtract 32 from both sides. Then multiply both sides by 5/9, the reciprocal. C is now alone. Read it right to left, and you have the conversion formula. And this is the payoff. Rearrange once, and every substitution after that is free. 212 degrees Fahrenheit, 100 Celsius. One case needs a little more care, when your variable shows up more than once. You can't isolate two x's at the same time, so first make them one. Factor x out. Now it's a single x multiplied by a bracket, and you divide by that whole bracket. Same rule, one extra step. A literal equation isn't a harder equation. It's a more useful one. Solve it once for the letter you care about, and you've solved every version of that problem at the same time.